for the rest of our lesson, we will be finishing with a closing activity, which is video prediction, and then three quick questions at the end. So, from what you learned today or yesterday, and were reminded of at the beginning of this lesson, how is oil formed? So just someone share it out.
From fossils, from like ocean creatures, predominantly, shallow ocean creatures.
Yeah, so shallow ocean creatures that get buried under layers of sediment and they get like crushed and under all that heat and pressure. But mainly it's shallow oceans. That's where we're getting a lot of our oil. So what I'm gonna have you do now, you're gonna be watching a video. So I'm gonna hit escape so you can see it. So you're gonna be watching a video and consider the following questions. This time you're just gonna answer individually and I'll give you time to think about your answer. You're gonna see this graphic right here. This is a graphic of Pangaea. It's gonna show it breaking apart. You're gonna consider a location where that would likely be forming oil at this time. So try to find darker blue means deeper ocean. This tan area is landmass, and then this light blue is usually shallower water. So you're going to be looking at that video and trying to find, okay, where's a place that's probably forming oil? Then you're going to watch what happened to this location as time passed. All right, and I'm going to play this video 2 times to make sure that you get to see it. So go ahead, pick a location here that you think would be forming oil. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. All right, and it's gonna play one more time. So remember that lighter area is shallower, that lighter blue is shallower water, and then tan area is continents, the dark blue is ocean. Just gonna go through this last time. Okay, let me go. All right, so here we are back at the beginning. So would anyone like to share around like where they picked for where they think oil was forming and just describe it to me, like you could say the top, the bottom, and then I should be able to find it.
I predicted at the top in the Arctic.
Okay, so around here?
Yes.
So am I circling it now?
Yes.
Okay, and then why did you pick this location specifically?
The water seems shallow at the top of the Earth.
All right, and then do you think any area on this globe could have been forming oil at this time? Like if I picked like right here, could that area?
Not the deep water since the oil comes from shallow waters.
Yeah, or at least the oil we can get to. All right, thank you. And then what happened to this area over time? What did you notice?
That it kind of spread apart.
Mm-hmm. So you noticed like, what did you notice about like the 2 main continents?
That they broke apart.
Okay, and they were kind of moving away, it looks like.
Yes.
All right. So something that you notice, if we go back to our graphic actually at the beginning that we were looking at. One sec. So you can see that from, actually let me hit escape. So from this area right here that we were saying was probably forming oil at the time of Pangaea, this actually matches up with 2 major areas where oil is found today. So Canada and then Russia both have pretty large oil reserves. So kind of showing how those 2 are connected. All right, so for my last activity, just for a quick check for understanding, I'm gonna have agree or disagree. You're just gonna say it out. I was gonna do thumbs, but I can't see you. So for the first question, is the resource we learned about, which is oil, today spread evenly over each continent?
No. Disagree.
No.
All right. So now, how about, is the oil found now where shallow oceans once were?
Agree.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And then, all right, thank you. And then for our third question, did the movement of continents bring oil to new locations from where it was originally formed?
Yes.
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 All right, so we have some agrees. All right, thank you so much for listening to my lesson today and for participating so well. All right. Share.